Discover my secret weapon for finding profitable apartment deals that others miss. Today, we're diving deep into how I leverage Batchleads to uncover apartment buildings that are absolutely ripe for investment. This isn't just about finding properties. It's about finding undervalued gems. The first crucial step is filtering inside Batchleads. I head straight to the property search. My primary filter is, of course, apartment buildings, or multifamily. I then refine by the number of units, typically targeting buildings with 5 or more units, but the flexibility allows for smaller multifamily as well. Now, let's talk about identifying those undervalued opportunities. I don't just look at the list. I scrutinize the details. I'm looking for buildings that might be older, or where the estimated market value seems a bit low compared to similar properties in the area. Batchleads pre-populates a lot of crucial data, saving me hours of manual research. Once I've spotted a promising building, the next critical step is direct owner outreach. And Batchleads makes this incredibly efficient. I navigate to the property's detailed record. And there, it is the owner's contact information. This direct line allows me to bypass agents and begin negotiations early, often uncovering off-market deals. But finding the building and contacting the owner is only part of the equation to truly maximize returns on multifamily investments. I dive into market trends within Batchleads. I analyze rent comparables, vacancy rates, and neighborhood growth patterns. Understanding the local market allows me to accurately assess potential cash flow and make informed decisions about the property's true worth. By combining Batchleads' powerful filtering, direct owner contact tools, and in-depth market analytics, I'm not just buying apartment buildings. I'm strategically acquiring them at prices that set me up for significant returns. This is how I unlock profitable multifamily investments, one Batchleads lead at a time.